Oh, there we go. Got a lightning shower. Oh. The second I came out, it started to die down. But it's raining fairly heavily. Oh yeah, lots of lightning. I wonder if Dad's getting this at this end of the city. You know, the sky, look at that, how blue that is. The lower portion of the sky. And the clouds, how they're just hanging above the buildings there. Wow. Yeah. I think that's the heaviest rain we've had yet this spring. We've had a lot of rain, but it hasn't been heavy. Lots of lightning. Yeah, I don't want to go that way. It's pretty. The rain is coming from the west. And I'm protected here on my balcony, but the minute I went to the over here, like just a wall of water in my face. Wow. Oh, now it's coming. Look at the road. I hear people out there hooting and hollering. I just saw some people running by below me here. Wow. Wouldn't want to be caught out in that. And it's not that warm. It was 19 degrees earlier when I shot that footage at around 9 p.m. I don't think right now it's more than 15. Maybe 16 degrees at the most. Really windy. Woo. And I think it would rain even heavier if it was hotter. But that is a heavy rain. Might even see some hail. Wow. Floyd's in the window behind me in his tree. Wondering what the... Seems to be coming down even heavier now. Wow. Great light show. Lightning. Here's some thunder roar. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a downpour. I think we're going to see some backed up sewers and mains. I'm going to stop the camera. That's a little over 3 minutes, I think. I don't think it's going to get any more exciting than it's already been. You never know. Somebody got a really cool photo the other day of lightning striking the top of the Calgary Tower. That was on the news. That's a lot of lightning. Every few seconds we got it. Good light show. I think that's the best light show I've seen in years. It's almost constant lightning. Wow. There's another big one. Yeah, non-stop. Woo! And I wonder what Canada Day is tomorrow. I think it's going to be warmer, but with all this moisture, it's going to be super humid. If we do get sunny and hot, it's going to be a humid day tomorrow. Wow. Yeah, let's get the sky in there. Very cloudy. Whew. Wow, that's a close one. This it's just not stopping. It's relentless. It just seems to be getting heavier now. Wow. I remember when I was a kid in Winnipeg, we used to get some good thunder showers like this, but it was always warmer. If it was, well, back then we didn't use Celsius, but if it was, 27 degrees Celsius and then it rained, it wouldn't drop much more than a couple of degrees. If it was a 30-degree day, if we got rain, it might be 26. Wow, I'm getting wet. Oh, it's starting to hail now. Little hailstones landing. I'm gonna go in. Yeah, this is just going on and on. Holy cow. Hey, Floyd. Well, it's a 6-minute video, and I'm going to watch this. After 6 minutes, I want to count how many times lightning flashed. I haven't been counting. I wouldn't even want to guess. It's like every few seconds. Wow. Yeah. Never seen this much lightning. Okay, 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Wow, that was a good one. I'm tempted to keep filming, but I will stop.